What's up, guys? Chance Cards here, and I got some mail. This came in from Top Breaks. I've sent his stuff out, and he already sent me stuff that we had done in a trade, so there's that. And also, I got some artifacts to open up for you. Taking a little break from SP Authentic. So here we go. I still have SP Authentic to open up, but I am going to wait a little bit. I don't want to open it all at once. So I'll start with this mail. Here we go. There we go. Nice. A bunch of cards in there. Oh wow. I already see some cool stuff that I didn't notice. It says, "Hey Chance Cards, thanks for trading with me. I will show you out in my videos. Included in this package are the trades we made and extra cards from Top Breaks." That's cool. Awesome. So we got these taped up packs. Get right into it. Oh, those are just, I think these are just so I don't see what's inside. I'm not sure. Oh, wow, yeah. Gotta use my knife, sorry. There's one of the cards right there. Brandon Carlo, Young Guns. He's been playing really well lately. I think he's a star. I'm pretty cool with getting that card. And on this side, Danton Heinen. I picked up another rookie you guys saw of his the other day. Now I got his Young Guns. I don't really collect Young Guns, but it's cool to have the Bruins. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, now we gotta get these other ones off the back here. Oh wow, cool. This is cool. Okay, so I'm gonna do it this way. He threw in some cool stuff. Sorry, I'm just trying to not wreck this. Alright, oh wow, cool. Shea Weber autograph card. That is super cool. Nice. On-card autograph. Shea Weber. Awesome. And on the other side, John Carlson, UD game jersey. Also really, sorry, in the light. Really cool. Look at these. That's cool. I wasn't expecting either of those. That's awesome. Thank you. Alright, now I got all of this to open. Let me see. How's this done? Okay. We got John Gibson, UD Canvas. Max Domi. Jack Eichel, UD Canvas. Jason Spezza. Team Canada Canvas, Claude Giroux and Doug Gilmour. Oh, that's cool. That's an older one. I like that. I don't know when those are from. 17-18, that's cool. Dion Phaneuf. Taylor Hall. Matt Duchene. PK Subban. Mike Smith, UD Canvas. And Lars Eller, UD Canvas. That's really cool. All cards I was not expecting. So, and here's another. You see Semyon Varlamov and a sweet Ray Bourque, but I think those are just to cover up what's on the other side, as you can see. So I apologize for how dull my knife has been. I thought it was a lot sharper than this. It was recently. I must have used it for something work related. Alright, so we got almost done. I like that it's all well packaged. That's really cool. Oh, cool. Miro Heiskanen, this is the trade that I did with him. Miro Heiskanen, Rookie Materials. I've got a buddy who collects a lot of his stuff, so that's always fun to pick up for him. He's happy with that, I'm sure. And on this side, I got Athanasiou, Young Gun. He's a good player. I like him. And Pastrnak UD Portrait. That's cool. And Zdeno Chara Season Highlights. That's cool. Oh, there's some other cards in here too. And Louis Eriksson UD Canvas. Cool. Brad Marchand UD Canvas. This is a cool one right here. This Season Highlight. I like that. Look at this Stick Flex Char's a beast. Beast. That's cool. Then we got Dylan Larkin, Rookie Materials. So that's really cool. That was part of the trade as well. A lot of stuff. Wow, there's a lot of stuff here. This is cool. Look at this. Yes. Brad Marchand. It's like a ticket. I've never even seen one of these. Game day action. That's really cool. Game day action. Ray Borg. Calder Trophy winner, 79.80. Oh, Zdeno Chara, Super Colossal. Nice. Brad Marchand, Shining Stars. Patrice, award winners. That's so cool. Sweet card. Sorry. Season highlights. Tuukka Rask. Eunice Kemppainen, rookie retro update, I believe. That's really cool. OPG. And the marquee rookie. And sweet. Yeah, David Backes there for OPG. And a marquee rookie of Danton Heinen. Very cool. Very, very cool. Thank you so much, buddy. I think you're going to enjoy what I sent you as well. Quite a bit. So, enjoy. I definitely will be doing more trades with you in the future. I appreciate that. That's really cool. Awesome. That's a lot of cool cards. So, to the main event here. 1819 Artifacts. I've opened a lot of this stuff. There's 8 packs in here, 4 cards per pack. Hoping for, you know, some lower numbered parallel, not a bounty card, hopefully. We'll see what happens, but I like this stuff. This is fun to collect, so here we go. This stuff is older, but always fun to open. So here we go. Pack number 1. We got Charlie McAvoy, Clayton Keller, a decoy, Chris Kreider, and Alexander Barkov. So that was a base pack, I believe. No, Clayton Keller, sorry. Clayton Keller was numbered on that one. Clayton Keller is numbered out of 699. So that's cool. I already have a bunch of his Artifacts cards. Next pack. We got Anders Lee. And our rookie redemption is Emerald rookie redemption for LA Kings. That's cool. And right behind that is a Jerry Cheevers. Sweet. I'm cool with that. I'm a Kings fan and a Bruins fan, so that's a good pack. Jerry Cheevers is numbered to 599. Very cool. And William Karlsson. Next pack. I enjoy opening this stuff. It's always pretty exciting. You just never know what you're gonna get. Something really low numbered sometimes. Really cool autographs. Oliver Ekman-Larsson, Joe Pavelski, and Alex Ovechkin, numbered to 699. I've been getting a lot of Ovechkin cards lately. Victor Hedman. A lot. But I'm alright with that. Next pack. We got Nazem Kadri and a teal Jonathan Huberdeau, numbered to 45, 15 out of 45. So that's cool. I like those. The colored parallels, they're all really cool cards. Even the base, they're just really pretty. Here's the back of the base there. This is a Vincent Trocheck. Just really cool cards. Very nice. And Mark Giordano. Halfway there. Pack number 5. We got David Pastrnak. Nice. And, oh, nice. Connor McDavid. Dual jersey. Numbered to 125. Oh, no way. It's number 97. Look at that. Connor McDavid jersey number 97 of 125. That's cool. Not upset with that at all. And Jonathan Marchessault. That's cool. Yep, game used. Sorry, my hand's in the way. There it is. Game used. Connor McDavid, number 97. And that is number 97 out of 125. Sweet. I like that. I've hit a lot of really cool jersey numbered hits recently that I think is really cool. Not sure if other people are into that, but I think it just adds a little bonus for me. Ooh, we got a big one here, guys. Corey Crawford. I'll show the back one. Braden Holtby. And, ooh, Corey Schneider. Out of 65, Emerald. Sweet patches. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, there's another base. Brock Nelson. Sweet. Set that one right here in the back too. Awesome. Numbered to 65. Number 54 out of 65. Alright, 2 more packs to go. Hoping for an autograph, really. That would be so cool. Oh. Brent Burns. Tara Vinen. And another rookie redemption. This one's a wild card. It's red 212. So I'll have to look that up and see. If you guys know who it is, just punch it in there. Red 212, cool. And Alex Pietrangelo. last pack. Come on, autograph. Come on, autograph. We got another patch or something. Okay, we got Leon Draisaitl, Sam Reinhart, and a Patrick Marleau jersey. 66 of 165. Cool. So 3 jersey cards. 2 rookie redemptions. That's pretty cool. There's the rookie redemptions. Pretty good. I'll see who the wild card is. That's awesome. Huberdeau, that's cool. Ovechkin, Cheevers, and Clayton Keller. We got this cool Patrick Marleau dual patch, number to 165. We got this Connor McDavid, number 97 of 125, which is really cool in my opinion. And this Corey Schneider sweet patch, number 265. Very cool. Cool break. As you see, empty box. So, chance cards, like and subscribe. You guys will see a lot more of me soon. I got some more stuff to open, so go Bruins.